Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to go over the steps on how to remove and replace the steering wheel buttons on a Mitsubishi. Here we have a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander, but the procedure is really similar for most Mitsubishi vehicles, even the older models. And the back here, right behind, on the back of the switch, on this side you have a hole, and you'll notice that in that hole you have a Phillips screw, and you'll come with a screwdriver on the back and then get this screw right here. Get that screw removed. So once you get that screw off, then it's really simple. Now here we have removed the airbag, but the thing is that you can't replace this switch without taking off the airbag. The airbag in this case has two holes on the side and one on the back, and you have to push with screwdriver on each side to pop that off. But before you do that, you got to disconnect the battery, and then but you can also pop this without removing the airbag. It's just going to be a little bit more challenging because it's tucked in right under the airbag, this lip right here. But once you tilt it like so, then you can pull it this way, and then you can pull it out without removing the airbag. Then press this connector here and then pull it off, and that's it. Very simple. Thank you.